Hi guys, it's me. And for my very first vlog, I'm gonna be showing you my room. Backstory: this content was actually suggested by one of my great friends, Chris Son, hello if you're watching. She really pushed me to do this content because she's seen on my previous Instagram stories my background, which is my room. So yeah, I thought, why not? Why not give it a try? Because I've been watching a lot of room tours from makeovers on YouTube, and I was inspired by them to do this content. So yeah, I'm so excited to show to you guys my room, because I put a lot of effort in designing and decorating my room the way it would reflect my personality. And yeah, I'm also gonna be linking down the stuff that I bought before this quarantine happened. My things are mostly from Shopee, so I'm gonna be linking it down below. So without further ado, let's get started. Next. Hi. When you first enter my room, you have to remove your shoes or your slippers because I don't want your dirt in my room. From where I'm standing, you can see pretty much everything because my room's not that big, but I think it is lovely. On this side, a lot is going on behind my door. My bags are hanged there just so it could use another purpose. Of these bags are given to me either by my sisters or my mom. This Converse is from my ate, and this IKEA bag is from my tita. This Nike is from my ate as well, and this Coach bag is from my mama. Thanks guys! On the left is my collage wall where I have quotes and Polaroid pictures. As you can notice, I'm a big fan of Van Gogh's works, and for those who really know me, I'm a sucker for Starry Night. Love Starry Night. On the other side is my brick wall, and on it is my poster which I got from Shopee. There are a lot of brick walls that you can buy from Shopee if you don't want to paint your room. You can use this DIY brick wall, and it's definitely worth a buy. This brick wall is from my papa, by the way, thank you po. These are my plants and my cactus. This simulated plant, I got this from Shopee as well. Got it on sale, it's very cheap. And this is where I take my mirror selfies. Hey guys. This area is my window and my huge ass curtain. I've learned from watching room makeovers that a high curtain would make your room look extra bigger and taller. Here's my guitar that I barely use. I tried though, but I think it really isn't for me. Whoa. This one right here is a DIY made by me and my mom. It used to be rusty, and we even changed its cloth just so you know. This door right here leads to the terrace. Nothing much is going on unlike my other door. Let's open it. Hi neighbors. And this hanging bear designed organizer is from Daiso Japan. I think it costs around 40 pesos above. And this is where I put my charger, my earphones. And this is my sister's phone, by the way. This right here is my book area. I think I read only 2 books out of this. And below those books is this box organizer, which contains a lot of memories. I think it's funny how a small box can contain so much history. Whoa. And this simulated plant, I got this from Shopee, and so as this rug. And this Himalayan salt lamp is from my mama. Thank you, mama. And this rug is also from Shopee. It's very soft and cozy. Thanks, Shopee. Salamat, Shopee. On this part, we have here my grid designed organizer. As you can observe, I'm really fond of grid patterns just because I find them so, I don't know, aesthetically pleasing. And here is my marble wallpaper, which I bought for a very cheap price. I forgot how it cost. But here is my dream catcher, which keeps me from having bad dreams. And finally, my bed area, where I spend most of the time overthinking, overworking, and oversleeping. This is my most favorite spot just when I need some rest from everything. What I also love about having my own room is having my own space where I can be weird and just be myself, you know. I also think that at this very moment we need to have our own spaces because the world's just too preoccupied and too crowded. For the last part of my room, here is my tapestry which I bought from Shopee. Again, what I love about having tapestries is that it gives a different vibe or flavor to my room. I also have a Starry Night tapestry, but I think this one suits my room even better.